Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kaimali Beauty. If you want to see how I did my brows and how I got this neon look, keep watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Just click the button right there. I have already done my foundation, highlights, powder and whatnot. I'm just going to bake. And then in case I have any fallouts, that will serve as like something to catch my powder. First of all, get a spoolie, brush out the brow. So I'm going to be doing another video on how to do your brows before your makeup, but this one is how to do your brows after your base. So for my brows, I'm going to be using Zaron Eyebrow Definer. I'm using a very tiny flat brush. I'm going to use that to outline my brows. As you can see, oh my god, as you can see, oh my god, devils, try me. Why you wanna try me? Why you wanna try me? Can't try me. Make sure I fill out the edges. Then I go in with the Anastasia Brow Wiz. I brush it over again. And I draw vertical strokes. Making your brows as natural as possible is the key to flawless makeup. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm gonna take my time because you can't rush with these strokes. I'm trying to create hairlines that would match your original hair. And then it's gonna look something like that. As you can see, there's no much difference. I mean, there's a difference, but it's not like a drastic change. I used to be the queen of drawing like an arc and whatnot, so before I knew better. Okay, so guys, there's something I like to do to make my brows extra full. My brow hairs stop somewhere about here. I actually extend the lines over the top like that to have like extra brow hairs. You know what I mean? It is a game changer. It makes my brows look so good. I try not to make any mistakes, but I don't worry about my mistakes because I'm going to use a concealer to like clean it all out and define it a little bit more. So, and voila. I'm going to do my other brow before I get to the concealing. So I'm going to be right back. So I'm back, guys, and as you can see, I've done the other brow. Next thing I'm going to do is to conceal and define and elaborate. I'm going to be using LA Girl Pro Concealer, shade Beautiful Bronze, Espresso, and a Fawn. Now let's see how I'm going to do that. So I'll start with the lightest shade, Fawn. So I put a tiny bit at the back of my hand, and I get a brush like this. Then I go with the dark shade Beautiful Bronze. And I use my finger to like blend. Sometimes I do the top of my brows, sometimes I don't even bother, but today I'm gonna do it because I want to have that snatched brow look. So for the top, I'm going to be using the shade Espresso. This is slightly darker, so I'm going to do the other eye and then I'll get back to you. So I'm back. I have concealed both my brows. Get a spoolie. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. Now this is going to put my brows in place for the rest of the day. So I'm just going to brush my brows in the position that I want it to remain, and I want it to remain straight like that. I'm going to use a powder to set the edges. Today, I don't know where it's from. Avour Cosmetics. I saw it somewhere and I just grabbed it. I think I'm going to use eyeshadow base. I'm going to be using that to set my eyes. As I've lined my eyes with black eyeliner. Guys, this is not as easy as I thought it would be. guys, I'm gonna clean it up, do the other eye, and come back. I think I like it better with lashes. So let me do the rest of my face and I'll be back. This is the finished look. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and see you in my next video. Mwah.